Hello, viewers. Welcome to question number 7A, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. The position vectors of points F and G with respect to a fixed point O are given as 3i minus 2j and I plus j, respectively. So if P divide FG in the ratio 5:3, we have to find the position vector of what? P. We can make a sketch of that if we draw a Cartesian plane. Let's see, okay, let me just put the point, which is the fixed point O here. Let's have the position vector. I will not use ruler. It's a sketch. Position vector of what? F. Then from the same point O, position vector of what? Let's see, G. Now, the FG is the vector this. Now, there is a point P which divide this line into 8 parts, as in 8 parts, 5 parts closer, that is 5 parts away from what? The F, and 3 parts away from G. So let me just say here, then have the point P indicated here, a ratio of 5:3. Position vector of G is I plus what? J. That of the position vector of F is 3i minus what? 2j. We can also say that this is position vector F by underline, position vector G by underline it. Now, if we are using, let's say, by section formula, that is if a line, which is a vector line, is divided by another vector into a given ratio, we can find the position vector of that point, as in OP equals to the division. This is M, this is what? N. As in the first ratio, that will give you N times the position vector, the first one, which is going to be F, plus M, the second vector, which is going to be G, all divided by the M plus what? N. Now I'm using the small letter, which could also be the N times OF as a position vector, plus M times OG as a position vector, divided by what? Mn. So the F and the G is just describing the position vector. All right. Now, what do? We only do substitution of values into that. I can pick the vector directly the way they are in the IJ system, or I can also convert into the XY component or the column vector form. But I'm going to continue with this. So my vector OP position become N, which is 3, multiplying the position vector OF, which is 3i minus 2j plus M, which is 5, multiply position vector OG, which is I plus what? J. All this divided by 5 plus what? 3. All right. Fast forward, let's expand. 9i, 6j plus 5i, 5j divided by what? 8. Let's group like terms in terms of the II and the JJ. So this is 9 plus 5, 14. So 14i. Then minus 6 plus, what do we call that? 5. That will be minus 1. So minus j. Still divided by what? 8. So here we either divide both sides by the 8, or we just factorize the numerator common factor 1 by that of 48. So this become 1 out of 8 multiplying 14i minus what? J. That become the position vector OP or P, which divide the FG in the ratio 5:3. And I guess the concept is clear. All right. This is more or less like internal division. If it's external division, that is where minus will come in. But this is taken. If you look at the question, it is silent. So we pick it as what? Internal division of a line by a point. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.